Testing for open bouts or the seam separations here is super easy. Let's show you how. All I do is I put my thumb on one side and I'm going to pull on it and I'm going to push with my index finger. So I'm just pushing and pulling here and I'm doing that around the instrument. And you got to make sure you do that on both sides to test it. Hey, I just want to jump in real quick. I hope you're getting something out of this video. If you want to learn more about instrument repair, go check out all the videos and courses that we have available at repairmasterclass.com, where we teach musicians how to fix musical instruments. On cellos and basses, I'm going to do the same thing, except my hands aren't big enough, so I'm going to just take both hands. I'm going to be pulling on these ribs and bouts and just pulling across on this as I go clear around the instrument to make sure I've got anything open. And make sure you do the same thing on both sides.